are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, tell me.
Tell me about the HVAC industry outlook for 2024.
HVAC industry outlook for 2024 and future is encouraging for Indian business. And looking forward, HVAC as a globally it is going to grow at around 6% to 8%. In India, it is more promising because of the focus of global, the Indian infrastructure, which is growing at a faster pace than other countries. So we are expecting around 13 to 14% of the growth of this industry in India. And the expectation for the HVAC industry, which is typically on the product, is basically on the smart applications. That is more is the expectation by the customer. That is the basic thing which is WILO is also trying to do in India.
Tell me about what products you are displaying over here.
Mainly our focus, of course, is focusing on to the high efficiency because of the reducing the carbon footprints. That is a basic vision of the company. Apart from that, going forward, just now I said that the artificial intelligence as well as smartphone apps are more prominent, and that is why WILO-NET is also supporting all the HVAC pumps and systems and solutions through WILO-NET, and which can be controlled to save the efficiency, and that is why the products have been displayed here. Our Stratos Giga Stratos MaxO pumps, which are the i5 efficiency pumps, which can be controlled from all the BMS to save the maximum energy of the industry.
So tell me about the features of the Giga pumps you are mentioning about.
Giga is typically i5 pump, and it doesn't require much configuration or much maintenance from the service point of view. It is a magnet motor and having the highest efficiency in this industry. Even this particular pumps, since it is inverter driven, you can control with the delta P, delta T and delta V. So your control for the pumps are very precise to save the energy. It will regulate to the pressure of 0.01 category. It can be controlled through BMS, it can control through Wi-Fi, it can control through artificial intelligence, it can control through WILO-NET. That is the basic advantage of these pumps. It can be controlled from any remote location. So that is the main feature of the Stratos pumps.
How your pumps set you apart from the other pumps available in the market?
Basically, we are into beyond the pumps. It is basically a system solution, system and solution selling. It is not the product selling. So whatever the customer expectation for his own comfort, the end user comfort, and even our complete supply chain management comfort, we differentiate our product with the ease of installation, ease of maintenance. So that gives a quite a differentiating factor with respect to other products which are available in the industry.
So you are manufacturing this all Make in India concept?
Yes, that is what we have also adopted. We have opened up a new factory at Kesudi, which we have invested close to around 200 crore plus. It is a state of the art of the technology which we are producing in Kesudi. We have factory in Kolhapur, where that is why Make in India concept, which is a drive of our Prime Minister, which is also getting driven by the WILO India, and all the products which are globally getting manufactured are getting manufactured also in WILO India.
What's the market growth do you see for your products?
Of course, if I take about HVAC industry per se, we are expecting around 15% of the growth for next 5 years. That is our midterm plan, which we are working on it, and definitely it will happen because infrastructure is growing in India, and we are part of this industry, we are part of the market, and we will leverage that with our products and solutions.
What future plans and expectations are there?
From
For the WILO, from the market.
From the market. Typically, at this moment, looking at HVAC industry require lot of trainings, lot of knowledge to the end customer. At this moment, end customers are not knowledgeable about how to save efficiency, how to save energy, how to service the pumps and systems which we are selling. So our important task going forward for next at least 5 years to train customers to such a level that they will be able to use the product with the considering saving of energy.
Thank you very much for sharing the inputs.
Thank you.